Hey, what's up, guys? You're welcome back here to another one of my videos. And today, this particular time, I'll be speaking to you on the latest from MGLand, and that is introducing you to the latest land sales, and you could call it the land fi itself. So this particular section will sort of like be divided into two, where we just sort of talk about the latest things about what is to be rolled out, and me testing it for you to see what you could actually do in your particular land. Now, take for example, uh, we have two ways to look at this. We have the way of the land by being a brand, and the way of the land by being an individual. But let me just run you through what this is all about, right? So there's a video clip right here for you to watch and get yourself uh, conversant with what is going on at this particular time. But let me just spell it out here for you. A land is an NFT stored on the blockchain, and on each land, you can build a decentralized space with an independent domain name. So that says a lot already. This is to say you could have like the metaverse or the meta universe assigned to your specific domain name, so you don't have to share uh, sort of like identities with any other websites at this particular time when it involves the Web3, making use of MGLand's landfi itself. And there are a couple of NFTs that are supported, a couple of chains which are supported: the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, the Polygon, and the Solana, which will be soon fully implemented in the MGLand landfi situation. Now, the land is currently built in 2D, and it supports all PCs or smartphones. And I myself have tested all of these features, and I see that they work pretty excellent. So that is one for you. And they will be divided into four: the small, medium, large land, and the super land, which are the of the sizes 30 by 30, 60 by 60, 90 by 90, and 120 by 120. I have a little display of how the land is being distributed across wherever land you purchase. Depending on the land you purchase, you could click any of these little icons, but we'll get to that in a second, since I'll be testing it out for you live at this particular time. And what could you do with this particular land? You could set up your land's information to sort of like be catered towards your own needs, your identity, your social media, and things like that. You could customize your land also. We'll get to that in a second. You could monetize by hosting events and contests. And last but not the least, you could also have voting polls in your particular land, accompanied by the lucky draw, which usually always attracts more users. So everything I'm swiping down here, or I'm scrolling through here, I'm going to put the link to this in the description right here in this particular video, so you could check that out yourself, read everything that you could read and understand. But in summary, the land ownership sort of like owns you or allows you to take part in land governance, to organize various community events, AMA community call, press conferences, host games or events on your own land, improve the brand sense of technology from someone who owns a company or owns a project, and you want to just get your merch out there to advertise or get real-time polls, get yourself the voting data you need, interact with your community members, interact with anybody and everybody you need to interact with. And you should know that you could set the conditions to people who want to join your land, either by NFTs, or you could make them join as third party form, maybe in form of bubbles, for example, that exists right now. And being a metaverse user as a brand gives you the opportunity to host events that we saw in there. It gives you the opportunity to collect live data, gives you the opportunity to also set up maybe setting conferences with other parties, sort of like having a group meeting and stuff like that, that you just need to get inquiry or feedback from the community, or run AMAs and a couple of series of serious events in your particular land. Now, as a person, it overall gives you an identity for you to hold a land to yourself, for you to customize however you want to customize your land for yourself, for your needs. You could also invite friends to this particular land to just chill and have some fun. Also, video conferencing is allowed across any needs you may want to have, either as a corporate body or a personal use. The needs, the utilities that you need are being supplied in there. Also, there are about 20 plus games, about 20 mini games in there for you to just come and chill, connect with your friends, multiplayer, play against each other, and just sort of like have fun while being in the MGLand land space on its own. So that is everything you need to know right now at this particular time. Like I said, the link to that will be in the description. Now I'm just going to jump straight into the test for you to just see how it is done, sort of like how to buy, how to start to get uh, editing or customizing your land, just everything. Let's just head over to the test website right now. Fresh start. And this is how it's going to appear to you. Build your metaverse on blockchain. There's the option to buy the land, own an available and transferable virtual world. That's the ethics to all this selling the land itself. And you could create yourself a meeting party. You could have the game mint NFT. You could market your airdrop at lottery, and you could hold a live stream. Definitely everything you need to do will be on the land, and everything you need to check will be right here. So let's just test it out. And first, I would connect my wallet, make use of the MetaMask wallet, and it's going to ask me to sign. It's going to ask me to sign that. So to switch to the Goeli at this particular time, since I'm making use of it as a test, okay. Now that is connected, I have my wallet in here, pretty easy. Anyone could do this right now. And I'm just going to buy a land. Here it displays the kinds of lands available at this particular time, and what the extent to which you could buy either one or multiple, like 5, 6, 7. Let me see, 8 is the maximum for now. Or you could buy each of them one after the other, medium, large, super land. But I will just go for large land at this particular time. So I'm just going to mint one. I'm just going to do that. I'm going to just accept that. Let's see, confirm. I think the transaction has gone through successfully. And okay, here we are. I have the large land type, size 90 by 90, location approximately 2751 and 3 minus 390. Token ID is 111. I'm just going to enter the land, and please select the land and jump. Okay, I'm going to select that particular one, enter the land. Let me just show firsthand what you need to sort of like check on. I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm going to connect my Polygon NFT. I'm going to connect my Polygon NFT, use NFT as avatar. I think it's pretty, look, see the idea to the MGLand graphics here. It's MG, but it's split into a land. So I'm just going to use my Popman as an NFT to enter into my land right now. MGLand 111 Metaverse. You could see that the domain name has sort of like changed, okay? Or anything at all. I've not really done anything. So, okay. I have here an empty plot of land. Let me just see what happens when I click on manage. Map editor. Okay. I could have green as a template or blue. Okay, wow. And I have the option to select the ground type, what the colors. Okay, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 colors in here right now. I think I'll go with green since I love green. I'm going to just go with green, and the floor type can be either 1 times 1, I guess. That, wow. Okay, wow. Okay, you could add as many as, let me just do 4 times 4 for this particular place. Wow. You could customize the ground also. And already I have a couple of buildings in here. So let me just customize the land right now. Oh, I made a mistake there. Okay, let me just add this one. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but this is just a first-hand video. So let's just see. Decide to design. The custom features are awesome right here, I must say. Okay, yellow. It's crazy right now. It's crazy right now. Let me see. Let me see. What's this? Let me see. Setting grounds to use. And okay, buildings are also up here. Let me see. There is the screen, supports you to bring any content, image, video, whatsoever. Wow. And there's the screen, music bar, general building, voting, general building also. There are tons of buildings in here. How about objects? Let's see. I have uh let me see. Let me see if I make use of this. 3 times 2, and I put that in there. And I go with this other one, 3 times 3, and I put that in there. Let me just customize everything right here on a small sec, right? Let me just do that on a small sec right now. And games I could add, or let me add this mushroom. I think this looks pretty cool. Wow. Okay, how about the signs? One sign. Wow. What's this? Wow. Okay. And I have a couple of games, so let me just put maybe reverse C. I have a thing for reverse C, so let me just put reverse in the middle. I'm definitely going to come back here to re-edit this whole thing. And NPC, let me see. Okay, I think the NPC is going to be stationary. It's not yet full right now. So let me just go over to the ground once more. Let me just make this thing look nice. Make it look nice. Like everywhere is going to, this whole box right now is going to sort of like look brownish. Let me just do that right now. Okay. Okay, I can have the option to click real fast. I can click and drag. I'm just aiming to make everywhere brown here right now. So I could know I have like a green piece of land with like brown toppings or brown flooring. Okay, that looks pretty good. It looks better than what I started off with. And I have, let me just add a building right now. I think the tavern is already involved in that. Let me just have maybe one building from the Miss Charm. Let me just have the Miss Charm statue in there. Oops, oops. Okay, I think I can touch that and change. Wow, I could change where I could drop that. So let me just drop that the far corner right now. Okay, and I have myself this piece right now. I have a whole load of customization to do, a whole lot, a whole lot. So I think I'm just going to fast forward a little bit to speed up my customization, but nothing too crazy. I'll just do it as fast as I can actually. I can always change this later. So this is what anybody will see when they come into my land, trying to just get used to the features. I already edited everything in here. I added the voting video. Okay, the voting video was there by preset. I added a couple of mushrooms, a couple of rock stores, a couple of nice flooring. Added the game in here, added the Miss Charm, added a video building here, and a few platforms that are here that I could interact with. Let me see. Press the settings. I could add the title. I save the building. Specify whatever names I want to give each building at this particular time. I was able to add this. So let me just go back to management mode right now. There's a couple of things I could have plugins. I could have land data. Let me just see what the map editor has all the floors, the floorings, the grounds, the toppings, everything you need to do. There are the buildings in here which I was able to add. The reverse C game building, I was able to add the music building, I was able to add Miss Charm also in there. I was able to add also the deck flooring here that I haven't given a name right now. I was able to add all of those, and to add a game reverse C, I added all of that, and that was setting that was good. And here loading once more. Let's see. The domain name is interesting because it's now titled MG.Land. I guess when I change that, it's going to have a new name. And what else can I do in the management center? Let me see plugins. Okay, live stream. I'm just going to add that, and I'm going to add a lottery bot. Okay, so I've added those two. They are down here to host a party. To have a live giveaway. Let me see. And the land data coming soon. Okay, not bad. And I have the leave button if I want to leave, but right now this is here. I can host a party here. I could name my party maybe Q's party. Q's party. I could start the party, and it's going to, I'll have to allow to open the cam. Okay, so we have it here, Q's party, allow, and I can open my camera. I can open my camera right now. That's done, and my mic also at the same time. So it's recording. I'm the host of this party right now. And what else? Let's try out the next function. I think I could end the party also. Let me just end the party right now. Okay. What's next? Checking the giveaway bots. So let me just call this Q's giveaway. Let's call this Q's giveaway for about 15 people, and in 1 minute, I guess 15 persons in 1 minute begin. I don't have up to 15 persons right now, so it's just a test. So you have it here at the far right, the giveaway bot is counting down. You'll be able to counting out at the far right. And what else? I have the camera button here to take a screenshot, which is going to be awesome. And I think I've basically checked everything. I could also switch NFTs. I could check on my spaceship. You don't have a spaceship in your wallet yet, this particular testnet for this particular time. And let's see, the minting of the spaceship is done at the MGLand official website, so you could just mint that and import that into your wallet to have yourself a spaceship for now. And members, just myself right now. History chat data is here. Let me just send hi. I guess the hi is show. Hi, so it's there. And let me close this. It should be here also. Yeah, okay, there you have it. Hi is also there. And I think that's about, about 6 seconds on the clock to have my giveaway winners. I just did it for 15 to try it out. Almost everything works right now, so it's just me that one obvious species. I'm the only person inside this land at this particular time. But overall, I think the land is awesome. I haven't even started yet. I'm just at a very tiny segment of my land. Let me just show you one more time. Manage map editor. I'm just at one very tiny segment. Look how big the land is, and I'm just at this whole segment. I have to like do everything. Multiple possibilities, everything can happen here at this particular time. So I'm just going to discard this right now because I didn't do anything. It's going to load again and take me back into the land. It's pretty awesome, and I think that anybody who ventures into this wouldn't regret it at all. You wouldn't regret it. So let me just leave to see what it looks like when I leave. Okay, so I think this I have here, this particular place on the map is for me. Okay, and there are already a couple of landowners. I see this is someone's land in here. I think this is another person's land in there. Wow. Let me just filter it to my land first off. Let me see what's going to happen if I filter it to my land. Okay, and this is my land right here. It just showed me where I have my land. So this is my land right here, and I think the whole thing is pretty flush right now. For anybody who wants to dive into this, you could dive into this real quick and real good. It's pretty awesome to just have yourself somewhere that you could design, edit however you want to edit it. And I would definitely recommend this to my friends and anybody who wants to just get himself his own unique domain name in the Web3 ecosystem. Just want to have yourself a home to stay in the Web3 space, have yourself a place for interaction, have yourself as a brand, have yourself a place you could conduct live activities, vote on stuff, how host AMAs, make use of that your dormant NFT right here with MGLand. Purchase MGLand. If you like this video, you could like, share, subscribe, share it to your community, share it to your friends, share it to family. I'd like you to push the metrics higher for more people to watch this video and know that stuff like this exists. And I think that's pretty much everything. I will see you in my next video. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to MGLand's YouTube channel also. And let's just try to get this news out there that there is somewhere you could sort of like coexist with by making use of your dormant NFTs, and it could just help you establish a brand or big, and also help you to gain your space in the whole Web3 journey. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace.